I'm George Moulos from E-commerce Brokers, where we help people buy and sell millions of dollars worth of online businesses. And in this video, we're going to dive into the world of SBA loans. In this video, I'm going to go through what an SBA loan is, how to get approved for one, and what the businesses that you want to acquire need to have and be so they are approved for the loan. Let's get into it. Nothing in this video constitutes legal, financial, or accounting advice. You need to talk to professionals for that information. So what is an SBA loan? SBA stands for Small Business Administration. And essentially the SBA and SBA loans are there to help you grow your existing business or grow through acquisition by buying a business. Now, what the SBA loans essentially are is the SBA, the Small Business Administration, backs and guarantees the loan of other lenders for you, the business owner or business acquirer. Generally speaking, the SBA guarantees anywhere from 75 to 90% of the loan. What this means as the borrower is that the qualifications and the interest rates applied are much lower than your standard rates and terms from a normal bank. When we're talking about acquiring business, we're talking about the SBA 7A loan. So let's get into how to get approved for an SBA loan. There's four main things that the SBA and lenders are looking for when you're looking to get approved for an SBA loan. The first thing that they look at is experience. Do you and your team have the experience operationally to run a business and to operate the one that you're looking to buy? That is a major point of concern for the lender and for the SBA. Now, they might ask you to provide your resume. Generally, they do. And that's how they are going to see if you or your operational team can manage the business you're acquiring. Now, of course, this is important because they want to know that you can competently run this business and operate this business so that you can make profit and pay off the debt. The second thing that the SBA and lender are looking for is a good credit score. Now, generally speaking, 650 FICO is generally what they're looking for as a minimum. Now, the third thing is cash flow. They want to know that the business you're acquiring can comfortably service the debt, service the loan. Same goes for you, the actual independent person. They want to know that you can service the loan as well. Also, the fourth thing that they're looking for is collateral. This is less important, but if you're buying a brick and mortar business, they want to know that there are potentially some assets within the business. This also means there's less risk in the acquisition for you as the borrower, as the acquirer. Now, in terms of paperwork, what do you need to show to be approved? Generally speaking, they're going to look for 3 years of tax returns. They will also want to see a personal financial statement. As we mentioned, they want to see your credit score. Now, what kind of businesses get approved for SBA loans? Now, let's hear it right off the bat. What types of businesses are not going to be approved? Now, the SBA has a list, they update that list, but generally speaking, they are not looking for scam businesses, pyramid, MLMs. They do not allow that. Of course, illegal businesses, obviously, but also businesses that are there in the gray zone. Generally speaking, gambling is not going to be accepted. So you want to take a look at the list to see what industries are and are not accepted. Generally speaking, the business needs to be 2 years old. Of course, you need to do your due diligence. You need to get third parties to do due diligence, but of course the banks, the lender, and the SBA will also do a bit of due diligence to make sure that this is a stable business that can properly service the loan. In terms of documentation, there is a lot you do need to provide for an SBA provider. First things first, you need 3 years of business tax returns. You're also going to need the interim financials. So we're talking about a P&L and a balance sheet from at least the last 90 days. You're going to want to show the business debt schedule. You'll have to provide a personal financial statement, and you'll have to show 3 years of tax returns. Now, if you're looking to buy or sell a business online or offline, visit ecommercebrokers.com, get in touch with us, and we can put you on a call with a broker within 24 hours. Now, if you're looking to get buy-side services and a buy-side agent to source, negotiate, and close a deal for you, we have our buy-side program, Elite Acquirers. Again, you can find more information on our website about that program and get on a call with a broker within 24 hours. Now, if you like this video and want to see more videos about buying and selling businesses, subscribe below and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.